While people across the state stay at home, thousands of construction workers are still on the job as essential workers. But I-Team investigator Adam Walser uncovered some local construction sites ignoring important health rules. And now Tampa inspectors are taking action.
Construction in Tampa continues at a rapid pace, from high-rise condos to shopping centers and office space to new homes. Before the pandemic, 7 million Americans, including 563,000 Floridians, worked in construction. Tampa's 50 largest open construction sites employ more than 12,000 people. And that work is allowed to continue under state and local stay-at-home orders, but only if workers abide by certain safety standards. Those rules say workers must be separated by at least 6 feet, and gloves should be worn at all times. But the I-Team uncovered construction workers in Tampa violating those rules at more than half a dozen work sites. At multiple sites, we found workers sharing small lifts. 2 men crowded into the same small construction elevator on this project. Masons huddled close together, passing concrete blocks and bricks to co-workers. Some wear gloves, others do not. This man passes a tape measure to his co-worker. Neither is wearing gloves. And these 3 men stand shoulder to shoulder with no gloves or mask. We shared our findings with Tampa Development Director Carol Post.
It's helpful to keep that really important machine running. But they have to do it carefully and they have to do it safely. And so to see that that is not happening throughout all our sites is very disappointing.
After we sent the city our findings last week, Tampa started sending out medical teams to do spot inspections at more than 50 major construction sites.
The project managers for these sites have been very cooperative. They've actually been quite interested in having our assistance and having that added layer of protection.
There aren't just issues in Tampa. These pictures are from a Sarasota County construction site shared by a concerned worker who doesn't want to be identified because he's afraid of losing his job. He says his co-workers arrive for work crammed in the same vehicle, crowd around the lunch truck, and work out of the same supply van.
It takes just a stroke of a pen for all construction activity in a region to be shut down if construction workers, if construction professionals, if the people who run firms are not taking this absolutely seriously.
Brian Turmel is vice president of the Associated General Contractors of America, the largest construction trade association in the U.S.
We're practicing social distancing, wearing new safety gear.
His group has sent videos and other training to members to try to help them work safely.
Their ability to continue to work is very much a privilege, not a right at this point. And that privilege is based on their ability to protect their workers and to protect, through them, the safety of the public.
So far, the city is not handing out any violations against those construction workers who aren't abiding by the rules. But a city inspector tells me that the city is handing out information from the CDC, along with things like masks and gloves to protect those workers and their families. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser taking action for you.